Wish you Merry Christmas, filled with joy, love, and the warmth of cherished memories. May this festive season bring peace to your heart and endless blessings to your home. May the magic of this season inspire hope and happiness in every corner of your life. Let us warmly welcome the students of Nirmal Jyoti School as they present their delightful performance filled with vibrant dance, melodious song, and heartwarming Christmas messages. Their performances are sure to radiate, to share the joy and spirit of the Christmas. Let us join in celebrating their talent and enthusiasm as they make this occasion, this Christmas season, truly special. Wish you Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Christmas, a feast of love, a feast of joy, and a feast of peace. These three virtues summarizes the spirit of the beautiful season and remind us about the true meaning of Christmas. Love is the foundation of Christmas. It's about extending our hearts to those around us, cherishing our loved ones, and showing compassion to strangers. The love we give and receive during this season reflects the boundless love that Christmas represents. Let us embrace this love not just today but every day by being kind, understanding, and generous to everyone we meet. Joy is the sparkle that makes Christmas magical. It's in the laughter of children, the twinkle of the Christmas lights, and the warm gatherings of friends and families. Joy is about finding happiness in simple moments and spreading smiles wherever we go. This Christmas, let's make a conscious effort to bring peace in our lives and the life of others by sharing good time and creating lasting memories. Peace is a serene calm that we all aspire to. In the world filled with turmoil, the Christmas represents the importance of peace. Let us use this season as an opportunity to mend broken relationships, forgive past grievances, and work towards a more harmonious world. As we gather to celebrate Christmas, let us carry out these virtues of love, joy, and peace in our hearts. These are the greatest gifts that we can give and receive. May this Christmas fill your homes with love, your hearts with joy, and your lives with peace. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Thank you.
से उतर के आया स्वर्ग का शांति सर्वोच्च स्वर्ग में ईश्वर की महिमा महिमा पृथ्वी पे होवे शांति शांति चमके तारे यहाँ गा रहे दूत दल खुशियाँ मनाए हम ग्लोरिया जन्मा है तारों के देश से आया है राजा राजा यीशु हमारा पालनहारा पालनहारा रात के अंधेरे में सोए थे गडरिए गडरिए ठंडी ठंडी रातों में रात के अंधेरे में सोए थे गडरिए गडरिए ठंडी ठंडी रातों में जन्मा है मुक्तिदाता दाऊद की नगरी में वो शले में जन्मा ग्लोरिया जन्मा है तारों के देश से आया है राजा राजा यीशु हमारा पालनहारा पालनहारा
Merry Christmas! On this joyful day, we celebrate Christmas, a time of love, peace, and hope. Today, Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem from Mary and Joseph. Christmas is not just a date on the calendar, it's a celebration of giving, a season of sharing, and a moment to reflect on the blessings we have received throughout the year. It's a time when families reunite, friends reconnect, and communities come together to spread joy and happiness. As we gather around our Christmas tree, exchange gifts, and share hearty meals, let us remember the true essence of this festive season. It's about opening our hearts to others, embracing those in need, and spreading cheers wherever we go. The magic of Christmas lies in the smiles we create, the hearts we touch, and the love we share. On this Christmas day, let's make an extra effort to reach out those who may be spending the season alone or need a helping hand. A small act of kindness can bring a significant difference in someone's life. Let us also take a moment to reflect on our past year, its challenges and triumphs. Let's carry forward the lesson we have learned and step into a new year with renewed hope and optimism. Christmas is a time for a new beginning, and it gives us strength to face the future with confidence and joy. On this beautiful day, let's cherish the moment we shared with our loved ones, create lasting memories, and look forward to a year filled with renewed hope and happiness. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas and the joy of the season. Thank you.